Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change batteries on your Kwikset door lock. First, gather your essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver and 4 fresh AA alkaline batteries. It's crucial to ensure your door is unlocked and open before you begin, preventing any accidental lockouts during the process. Next, locate the battery cover, typically found on the interior side of your Kwikset Smart Locks assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and hassle-free battery replacement. Now, let's access those batteries. You'll need to locate the 2 or 3 small screws that secure the battery cover to the interior assembly of your lock. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully loosen and remove these screws completely. Once the screws are out, gently pull the battery cover straight away from the lock mechanism. This will reveal the battery pack inside, making it easy to proceed with the replacement. With the battery pack exposed, it's time for the replacement. Carefully remove the old batteries from their holder, paying close attention to their positive and negative orientation. Now, insert your 4 new AA alkaline batteries, making sure they are correctly aligned. Remember, it's best practice to avoid mixing old and new batteries or different types of batteries to ensure optimal performance and longevity for your Kwikset lock. Finally, let's reassemble and test your lock. Carefully align the battery cover back into its position and secure it firmly with the 2 or 3 screws you removed earlier. Once everything is tightened, test the lock's functionality. Manually lock and unlock it several times, then use your electronic access method. Listen for the motor engaging smoothly, confirming your Kwikset door lock is fully operational with its new power source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.